Xumo TV doesn't connect directly to Bluetooth. Instead, connect your AirPods to the device you're using to stream Xumo, like your smart TV or streaming box. First, ensure your streaming device has Bluetooth. Almost all modern smart TVs and streaming boxes do, including Samsung, LG, Roku, Apple TV, and Fire TV. This method won't work if you're streaming Xumo through a web browser on a computer. The key is to pair your AirPods with the streaming device itself, not the Xumo app. Xumo's cloud-based streaming has improved audio sync, minimizing lag when using wireless headphones. Most users report successful pairings, with over 90% success rate on compatible devices. First, check your TV or streaming device's compatibility by searching online if it has Bluetooth support. Second, enable pairing mode on your device by going to Settings, then Sound, then Bluetooth. Third, open your AirPods case near the device and hold the Setup button on the case until the LED flashes white. Fourth, on your TV, select AirPods from the list of available Bluetooth devices and confirm the pairing. Fifth, launch the Xumo TV app and start streaming. The audio should now play through your AirPods. If you encounter problems, try resetting your AirPods, updating your device's firmware, or restarting your TV. Remember, you can't pair AirPods directly to Xumo if using a web browser, cast from a Bluetooth-enabled phone or tablet. Also, consider battery life and the 30-foot range for uninterrupted viewing.